is Leslie from Sunnyvale Designs on Etsy. Welcome to my Creative 8 craft tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to make this cute and personalized glass glitter Christmas ornament. They are so easy to make and inexpensive, and they make nice little personalized gifts. Okay, let's get started. Here's the items you will need: glass ornaments, extra fine glitter, polyacrylic, small funnels, paper towels, and vinyl decals. Little glass ornaments are available in all kinds of sizes and shapes. I got mine at Hobby Lobby, and I've noticed them at Walmart and Michael's. Just remember that the top piece is a choking hazard. It has small parts, and it's not for children under 3 years. Also, these are glass, so they are breakable, so we want to consider that. And there are acrylic ornaments that you can do the same techniques with. On the glitter, you want to get the fine or extra fine glitter, and there are so many different colors to choose from. I got mine at Hobby Lobby. You'll need to get some polyacrylic. I got mine at Walmart. It's a little bit expensive for a very small can. I think it was $9 or something, but it lasts forever. I mean, you can use it for a lot of ornaments. I actually have heard of people using Mop and Glow because it's less expensive, but I haven't tried that yet. On the funnels, I found mine in the sand art department at Hobby Lobby. You want really small, tiny ones that will fit into the ornaments. And you're going to use one for the polyacrylic, and then you're going to use the other for the glitter. You don't want to mix those two up because your glitter will get all stuck together and it won't work. So I've got this little jar here because I'm going to put this ornament on the jar whenever I'm finished filling it with the polyacrylic. So the first thing you do is you take off the little wire holder and set that aside. And then you open up your polyacrylic. Use your little funnel. And then you just pour a little bit in there. Doesn't take a whole lot. Kind of messy here. And then you swirl that around. Make sure that you cover the entire ornament on the inside. You can see it spreading around in there. See how there's an area that's not covered, so I need to keep swirling until you get every bit of it covered, and then let it kind of pool at the bottom so you'll get the bottom part, or the top part actually. And then you want to let that dry for several hours. No, actually, let it dry for about 3 minutes. And then you can put the glitter in. So we'll come back in a minute whenever it's through draining out. Okay, so it's been about 5 or 10 minutes, and most of the glue has drained down to the inside of this jar. And so now we're ready to put in the glitter. So you just open up your glitter, and then you use your little Christmas tree cone that I made. Hopefully I can make Christmas trees out of them later. And then you use your funnel in some glitter. Let that all pour in. See? Gotta have plenty of glitter. Now you've got the glitter in there, and you just want to shake it so that it covers all the areas inside the ornament. Look how pretty. Oh, I love it. Okay, so you have that all covered, and then you just want to set it somewhere to dry. I don't know if I should put it on there because it might be wet with glue. I don't see any glue. So we'll set it on the jar to dry. And really you want to let that dry for about 3 or 4 hours before you do anything else with it. But here's one that's already dry, so I can show you how I decorate it after the glitter is dry. I go ahead and put the top back on. That's kind of a challenge, but I put that back on and have to squeeze the little metal things back around it. And then I take my hot glue gun and glue on the bow. So let me just put some glue on that. Try not to burn myself. And then I just put the bow right here. Stick that on really good. Isn't that cute? And so let that dry a little bit. And then I'm going to take the crown that's going to go on one side, that I made out of the vinyl. And I already have transfer tape pressed to it, so it's ready to peel off of that. And so now I have it on the transfer tape, and I'm just going to take it and try to center it. That's one of the things that I'm not that great at, but anyway, so it's going on a round object, so you have to be really careful that it doesn't crinkle up. So you start with the middle of it and press it, and then you just press out. So that takes a few minutes of just kind of working it until it's smooth and it looks good. And you do the same thing with the words that we made, the Princess Charlotte, and then eventually we're going to peel that off, but it takes a few minutes, and I'm not going to make you go through that whole process with me. Any of you that have done vinyl stuff know that that takes a minute. And so then here we go. Here's the finished product. Hope you enjoyed that little project of making the glass glitter Christmas ornaments, and I hope you'll come back. Press the like button. Thank you.